Before proceeding to the next section, let's try to answer some practice questions. Good luck! You want to store data that is infrequently accessed but must be immediately available when needed. Which S3 storage class should be used? S3 Intelligent Tiering, S3 Standard IA, S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval, S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Because data needs to be immediately available, so all Glacier classes are invalid options and the correct answer is going to be Standard IA. What is the name of the AWS service that offers managed data warehouses? Amazon DynamoDB, S3, Amazon RDS, Amazon Redshift. Remember analytical databases used for data analytics? We run them on AWS through Amazon Redshift. A customer wants to run a managed MongoDB database server on AWS. Which AWS service should that customer use? Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon DocumentDB, Amazon RDS, Elastic File Server. DocumentDB is a managed MongoDB on AWS. A customer wants to store data in an object storage service. Which AWS service can be used for that? Amazon EFS, Amazon EBS, Amazon S3, Amazon RDS. That's an easy question. It is for sure Amazon S3. Which of the following services offers file storage service? Select two responses. Amazon S3, Amazon EFS, Amazon Managed File Service, Amazon FSx for Windows, Amazon Elastic Block Storage. The right answers are going to be EFS and FSx for Windows. Which statement is true about EBS and EFS? EBS stores data in one AZ, EFS stores data across multiple AZs. EBS stores data across multiple AZs, EFS stores data in one AZ. Both EBS and EFS store data across multiple AZs. Both EBS and EFS store data in one AZ. If you can recall from the previous lessons and videos, EBS is tied to one AZ. It replicates the data multiple times but in the same AZ. While EFS by default will replicate my data across multiple AZs. A customer wants to attach a block storage volume to their EC2 instance. Data written to this volume has to be persistent. Which volume type to use? EFS volume, Amazon Persistent Volume, EBS volume, Instant Store Volume. That was an easy question. It is for sure the EBS volume that can store data on it persistently. Which AWS service that offers virtually unlimited storage capacity? Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, Amazon Scalable Storage Volumes, Amazon Aurora. Remember that S3 offers virtually unlimited storage capacities, with no limit to the maximum number of objects that you can upload to the bucket or even a limit to the maximum size of the bucket itself. Which Amazon S3 storage classes are optimized for storing data archives? Select two choices. S3 Standard, S3 Glacier Deep Archive, S3 Standard IA, S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval. S3 Glacier and its storage classes are the best fit for backups and archives from cost perspective. Your customer wants to improve the read performance for their Aurora database. Which service can be used to cache queries and improve performance? Amazon Managed Cache, Amazon ElastiCache, Amazon DAX, Amazon RDS. Amazon ElastiCache, as explained earlier, can be inserted between your application server and database server to cache queries and their results in memory and speed up the read requests. I hope you have got most of the questions, if not all of them, correct. If you have scored less than 75%, please rewatch the previous videos again and attempt one more time before proceeding to the next section.